Hey, welcome to US Mobile. Let's see why the US Mobile home phone is the best landline option you'll find today. Take a look at what's on the market. Overpriced, hidden fees, awful customer service. We've set our prices at an affordable rate. And you're not locked in. You can cancel at any time. Not only do we have the best price, US Mobile is simply the easiest way to go. It all starts with the heart of the business, a devoted customer support team that's ready to provide you with world-class care. Whether you call, chat, or email, we're here for you 24/7. Other phone providers charge you an activation fee. We don't. US Mobile's plan includes voicemail, visual caller ID, conference calling, and call forwarding for no extra cost. Our home phone base is compact, easy to set up and use, and it'll last for hours in case you lose power. You can keep the phone you have or buy our bundle for a fresh upgrade. You'll get your first month free when you buy the home phone base. So don't hesitate, just give us a try. You won't be disappointed. If you got any questions, just give us a ring. I've been Anthony from US Mobile. Happy connecting.